Believe it or not, there's people in business that make zero money. I've been there before, so I can talk about it, right? Make zero money. It's nothing wrong with you. It's just lack of knowledge. And once you understand what you need to do to break through that, your life will change. Time is the most valuable asset that we all have. Nobody wants to win $1 billion today in order to lose your life tomorrow, right? Why? Because the cost of that is not worth your life, which means that you care and value your time. If time is the most valuable asset that we all have, then you want to have more time. Now, who can build a business model that gives them more time? This particular highest level of value not only gives you more time, but it also gives you more money. Some of you have probably heard me talk about the premium value ladder, right? So this is a concept that I actually created and designed to help those who are visual learners really understand how or where they are in business and how to actually move up the value ladder, right? And so I'm going to start there and then I'm going to break down the numbers. So make sure you guys have your calculators out. So this is like my digital chalkboard. So there are typically on the premium value ladder, there are like 3 levels, right? Because there's levels in this game. There's levels to entrepreneurship. There's levels to success. There's levels to how much money you can make in your business. And based off this premium value ladder that I'm going to share with you, you'll be able to identify where you are. And we're going to show you how to break through that maximum level of income where you are right now. Okay. How many levels are there in the premium value ladder? 3, not 1, not 2, but 3. So how many levels are there in the premium value ladder? There's 3. All right. So the first level of value, this is the level where most entrepreneurs who are small are generating between 0. Believe it or not, there's people in business that make zero money. I've been there before, so I can talk about it, right? Make zero money. It's nothing wrong with you. It's just lack of knowledge. And once you understand what you need to do to break through that, your life will change, right? So some people are in business at this particular level between $0 and $80,000 a year. Okay. Now, wherever you are, I want you to identify what level you are on. Okay. So if you're anywhere between 0 to 80,000, typically these are the entrepreneurs that are at the B to C business model. Now, some of the pitfalls or struggles or the things that happen at this level is you find yourself chasing customers. You find yourself not having, lack of finances, of course, to reinvest in your business. So lack of money, right? So it's hard for you to get your business off the ground because you don't have the money to invest in your business and the tools and resources that you need to take your business to the next level. Some of the other things, crab in a bucket. These are the things that happens at this level. Crab in a bucket. So your competitors may see you or may be hating on you or are refusing to give you opportunities, or they try to snatch the little bitty opportunities that you have. It's called the crab in the bucket mentality. All of these things happens at this low premium value level, right? So the next upgrade, it's time for an upgrade. If you are here, it's time for an upgrade. Somebody say upgrade, right? So the next premium value ladder, the next level in this ladder is where you break through the ceiling. Now, high-performing entrepreneurs. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying it. I wanted to take some time to invite you to join me in the GovCon Challenge. The GovCon Challenge takes place once a month where I invite a bunch of entrepreneurs and aspiring entrepreneurs to come and have me teach you the 5 things you must do to pre-qualify your business to land lucrative contracts with the government. So join me in the GovCon Challenge. Click on the link in the description. You'll be glad you did. Join as VIP for exclusive behind-the-scenes information, and you could become a part of the top 1% of entrepreneurs across the nation. Now back to the video you were watching. those who have figured out a game plan, those who are working really hard, really efficient. Now, before I go there, here at this lower level, you actually make a little money, as you can see, little money, but you spend a whole lot of time. So one of the other problems at this level when you're operating here is like you're easily, quickly burnt out, right? So when you upgrade to becoming a more high performing entrepreneur, now you break through the ceiling of 80,000 and you can get anywhere up to, right, plus or minus about, let's just say on average, $120,000 a year, right? So if you are here, this level, people who operate at this level are either B2B or a hybrid between B2B and B2C, which means that at this particular, B2B stands for business to business. This is the business model that you're operating out of. Sometimes it's a hybrid when you're breaking through these ceilings, right? So at this particular level, of course, you're making a lot more money, but it still costs you a lot of time to make a lot more money, right? Still costs you a lot of time, right? Now there is an upgrade from there. Somebody say upgrade. We're going to upgrade again, right? So on the highest level of value, not only do you have more time back, you actually get your time back. And if you didn't know, time is the most valuable asset that we all have, right? Nobody wants to win $1 billion today in order to lose your life tomorrow, right? Why? Because the cost of that is not worth your life, right? So, which means that you care and value your time. And which means that if time is the most valuable asset that we all have, then you want to have more time. Now, who can build a business model that gives them more time? Well, we all can if you understand the game, right? So this particular highest level of value, it not only gives you more time, but it also gives you more money. Somebody say more money and more time. More money and more time. That's a win, 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 right? So more money, more time. This is where you break through the financial level of $120,000 to unlimited. So when you are operating at your highest level of value, there is no limit. There is no financial limit. And I know for some people, you can't conceptualize unlimited income earning potential, right? So for those who can't conceptualize that, let's just put 5 million a year. Let's just put a number there. Whatever your number is, you put your number there. We're going to put it there. But for me, that means unlimited. When you have the ability to understand business to where it doesn't matter what you're doing in business, doesn't matter, your knowledge can allow you to position yourself to execute and have unlimited money. That means you'll never be broke again because you understand how to make money, right? So at this level, of course, this is called, the business model for this is B2P. P stands for premium. So a business to premium buyer, right? There are two types of premium buyers in the world that exist. One of them we're going to talk about today, right? What are the two? How many are there? There's two. What are the two? Number one, the first type of premium buyer are corporations, right? The second type of premium buyer that there is, who is also the number one biggest paying premium buyer ever in the world, is government agencies. Okay, so there's two. There's government, there's corporations. Government trumps corporations. Government is the number one, right? So that is what allows you to be able to break through this particular financial barrier. So what I want you to do, identify where you are in the value ladder, right? Are you on level one? If you understand where you are, if you understand that you are at level one, elevate to level two. If you are at level two, elevate to level three.